He dresses us all and makes sure our cameras are working. Say hello, Luke.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. If only I could go back in time. Alright, just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to...
Straight in front of me is either a sniper in a ghillie or a bush. I don't know.
Mapping, because my sentiments exactly.
Go, 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 go. Through that doorway there. Right, go. Straight through, straight through, straight through, straight through.
Right, cover both directions for me, and I'm going to try and grab them, okay? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, fence.
So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top.